Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can recover your Valorant account without an email. So first you have to just come to this website, and this website link I give you in the description box, so you can easily click on the link and open it. And now here scroll down and you will see the automated recovery tool. Just click on the begin account recovery and then you will see the username. You have to just type your username here of your Valorant and just type your right ID and just select here if you have played the League of Legends. So I'm selected is to no, and then select your date of birth from here. Then just simply click on the next, and after that now it will open up the new page, and then it will give you, if this will give you the error message like this: we have found the multiple accounts that match the information you provided. So you have to just simply click on the submit our ticket, then it will open up the new page, and you have to just simply verify, and then it will open up the new page. Now here you have to just simply click on the choose a request type, and then just simply select the recover my account. After that now it will open up the new page also, and now here you have to just select the recover my account from here, and after that just put your email address, and after that the select the what platform you are requested, and then just simply click on this and select the PC, and then just simply select your region. So I'm selected any randomly, I'm just selecting the Europe, and after that you have to just select how did you lose your access to your account. So just click on this and you have to just select your reason why your account has lost. After you select it, here you have to just give all of your information like the username. After that just scroll down, then click on the submit, and the Valorant will reply you on your email after the 24 hours or the later. And after that, it will give you the message your account will recover or not. And guys, this is how you can submit a request for the recovery of your account. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.